Did you know that not all bats are the same? Yes, you heard it right. In our wonderful world, there are over 1,400 different types of bats. It's a big bat family. Bats are pretty cool creatures. They are the only mammals that can fly, soaring through the night sky with ease. But that's not all. They even have their own unique way of seeing in the dark. It's called echolocation. They make sounds that bounce off objects around them, helping them to find their food. Talk about a superpower. Now let's talk sizes. Imagine a bat as small as a bumblebee. Yes, there's a bat called the bumblebee bat, and it's the smallest in the world. On the flip side, we have the giant golden-crowned flying fox, which is the largest bat and can have a wingspan of up to 5 feet. So next time you see a bat, remember, it could be one of over 1,400 types. Now, have you ever heard of the vampire bat? Sounds spooky, right? Well, it's not as scary as you might think. This tiny creature, no larger than your thumb, has a taste for blood. But don't worry, they prefer the blood of cows and other animals over humans. It's their way of surviving in the wild. Next, let's talk about the Honduran white bat. Imagine a cotton ball with wings. Yes, that's exactly what they look like. These bats are completely white, a unique color that helps them blend in with the fluffy white fungus they call home in the rainforests of Central America. And then we have bats with tongues longer than their bodies, bats that look like flying foxes, and even bats that can walk on their wings. Each bat species has its own set of unique traits that help them thrive in their specific environments. Isn't it fascinating how different each bat can be? What if I told you there's a bat that looks like a fox? Incredible, right? Let's dive into the world of some of the most exotic bats out there. One such bat is the fruit bat, also known as the flying fox. Now don't get confused, it's not a fox, but a bat with a face that resembles a fox. It's quite a sight to behold, and it doesn't stop there. The flying fox has a wingspan as wide as a child's height. Imagine that. A bat with the wingspan of a kite. It's just mind-boggling. Next, meet the spectral carnivorous bat in the world. Unlike its fruit-loving cousin, the flying fox, the spectral bat has a taste for small birds and rodents. It's like the lion of the bat world, prowling the night skies for its next meal. From drinking blood to looking like a fox, bats certainly are unique creatures. So, what have we learned about bats today? We've met the strangest and most exotic bats, each with its own unique traits. From the long-tongued nectar bat, who has adapted to sip nectar deep within flowers, to the spooky-looking ghost bat, who uses its pale color to blend into its surroundings. Bats are incredibly diverse, each type perfectly adapted to its environment. And that, my friends, is the wonderful world of bats. Remember, they're more than just Halloween decorations. They're fascinating creatures with a lot to offer.